All right, Dr. Brian Perryman here, back with you. FederalDirectTaxOklahoma.com or OKC Taxman is the YouTube channel. We've got some more questions about the stimulus package, the CARES Act. So let's get into those. First question, what about amending prior year returns to say that I was not a dependent? Good question. Well, somewhere along the chain, either the original return where the taxpayer was claimed or the amendment itself, a person would be essentially guilty of fraud. All right, because you didn't do it right last year, so you committed fraud last year, and you're trying to go back and correct that. So you're admitting that you're guilty. Also, it takes several months to process an amendment, and that would not get done before the checks were sent out. All right, our next question. What if there is no return filed for 2018 or 2019? E-filing for 2018 or 19, we can do that quick and easily. Payments for taxes are not required until July the 15th due to the pandemic. So let's get one of those or both of those filed for you as soon as we can so that we make sure that you're in the system. Also, try not to rush it just so you can get it filed if it's going to have false information in it. That would not be a good thing with the IRS. Now, if no returns were filed and the individual was not claimed as a dependent on one or both of those years, but received the Social Security 1099 or the Railroad Benefits 1099, they should be able to receive the advanced stimulus payments. The system's already got your direct deposit in there. They'll look to the tax returns first. They don't see the tax returns. Then they'll look for the Social Security or the Railroad Benefits for processing. All right, the next question, what if you moved? Well, you can update your address with the IRS by filing that 2019 return if you haven't already done so. Otherwise, you need to fill out and mail in an 8822. You can find that form on the IRS website. You can pay us to do it. It's quicker. Just go ahead, go to irs.gov, search for form 8822 to update your physical mailing address with the IRS. If your bank account has changed, you could correct that by filing your 2019 return if you haven't done so. You could also contact the bank, perhaps block the payment, or make sure that that account is closed. When the IRS finds that that account is closed, it'll kick back to them and they will mail you a paper check. Now, some of you are going to get stuck with the next thing. And you may be happy about it, you may not be happy about it. But if you have delinquent federal student loans or back taxes that you owe the IRS for federal or state, they will not hold your stimulus payment to pay those taxes. That's a good thing. However, if you are behind on your child support and you owe for child support, they will nab your stimulus payment and use it to pay that back child support. All right, so that's a good thing for some of you and a bad thing for some of you. Again, if you have any questions, contact me, Dr. Brian Perryman, FederalDirectTaxOklahoma.com. The email address, office@FederalDirectTaxOklahoma. And of course, our YouTube channel, OKC Taxman. I hope you have a great day. Stay virus-free, social distance, and all that other kind of stuff. And we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.